Welcome back to the Hidesc dashboard. To initiate a new high-level objective, we'll head over to the Projects tool located in the sidebar menu. From the project list, simply click the green Add Projects button to launch the Setup and Configuration wizard. Start by personalizing your project with a unique icon and color. Then give it a clear descriptive name to differentiate it from others. Next, provide a brief description to outline the project's core goals, ensuring every team member understands the primary objective. Choose your project type, whether it's a standard sprint or a milestone, and define a custom task prefix for organized tracking. Enable the Share with Everyone toggle to grant workspace-wide access. Moving to the Team and Ownership tab, you can assign a project owner, a dedicated contact person, and allocate specific users to the workspace. You also have the flexibility to designate team leads within your allocated users, ensuring clear hierarchies and accountability. Finally, choose a template to pre-configure your task lists and workflows, or stick with the default template for a clean start. Once created, you're taken to the project overview where you can monitor task progress and view key project details at a glance. To get work moving, navigate to the Sprints tab. Here, you can click Add Sprint to define your next work cycle. Enter your sprint name and select a time interval, such as a 2-week cycle. The system will automatically calculate your end dates. Define a clear sprint goal to focus your team's efforts. Then hit Save to add the cycle to your project timeline. Your sprint is now ready to go. Simply click Start to move the status into In Progress and begin your journey towards delivery.